Today I'm going to show you how to make Google Slides. First, you need to go into your iPicture folder, and then you click on New. Then you click on Google Slides. It may ask you to create and share, and you can hit yes. Then it automatically brings up your title page. On your title page, you need to type in tips of photography by, and then your name, so we know it's your slides. You can make designs, but first make your slides first. Then to add a slide, you need to push the down button by the plus and pick the one that says title in 2 columns. It makes it easier then for you when you go to add your good and bad. You put the tip that you're showing, so make sure to focus on your subject. Then you write down a good example and a bad example. You can have it either direction. Then you click back on the box and you hit Insert up here, and you hit Image, and you're going to download the image from your drive. So you click on Drive, and then the nice thing is it brings up all your pictures that you have over here that you should have just recently downloaded. If it didn't, then you go to your My Drive and you find the iPicture folder, and then you'll be able to click on your pictures. But since mine have already shown up, we're going to go through and I'm going to find my example of focusing on my subject. You click on the picture you want, and then you hit select. Now you may have to resize it so that it fits in your box, and you can either have it smaller so it's underneath your words, or you can have it beside the word. Then you click on this box and you do the same thing. You hit Insert, Image in your drive, and then you find your example that you want to use and you hit Insert. And then you wait a second or two while it downloads. Then you grab a corner so that you can adjust the side so that you have it to use. Then when you're ready for the next slide, you come back over and you hit the arrow down. You pick the slide again that says title in 2 columns. You put the title of the slide of the tip that you're using. So use Flash. And again, you put good and bad. I click back on this box. I hit Insert. I hit Image. And I go to my drive. I find my good example of using Flash. There was some flowers I took. Let's see, where is it? Here's the example of the good. I hit Insert. And again, size it down so that it will fit. Now make sure you grab the corner, because if you just grab the edge of it, all it does is just move the picture. Now, if you don't like the picture that you got, you can click on the picture and hit the back button, or and it deletes out the picture. Then I insert another example from my drive. I'm looking for my pictures where I did not use a flash on my flowers, and you can see that it is very dark. And again, resize and put it over here. And then lastly, you're going to add one more slide because you're supposed to do 3 tips. And that will show you how to make Google Slides.